So hello hams that are fans of the end-fed half-wave antenna. Here we have an end-fed half-wave antenna transformer dangling from my vertical down lead of my antenna, and I'm going to show you a way to lower the frequency of the antenna very simply without using the compensation coil that is so often used. The compensation coil will lower the frequency on 10 meters by 100 to 200 kilohertz. You put it about 2 meters from the transformer, and it's about 6 turns of wire, and it works very well. But of course you do have to cut your antenna. This way you don't have to cut the antenna, and you can experiment with it from the ground. And all it is a piece of wire about 8 or 10 inches long with an alligator clip on the end. And it's a windy day. You can see the transformer is bobbing around here a little bit. But you just take this alligator clip and clip it right there on the antenna post, and go check your SWR. You'll find that on 10 meters this will drop the SWR, the low SWR frequency, by anywhere from 150 to 200 kilohertz. On 20, not so much, but about 100 kilohertz, and on 80, just a little bit at around 50 kilohertz. So there you go. You can trim this, and of course the shorter it is, the less effect it will have. And I would advise you to give it a try and see how it works. Thanks for watching N73.